What is up, everybody? It's your boy Chubbs. Welcome back to the video. All right, so right now I'm on my way to go pick up the new snapbacks and the new beanies. Man, they're badass, guys. So we're gonna go pick up that. We're actually gonna go in my mom's Mama Lona over there, because I also got to take it so to get the tires checked, because they keep losing air. Sorry about the wind. No sé pa qué se la baja al aire, pero we're gonna go get that checked out. So because every few days I gotta be putting air in it, so might as well take it to a shop. And guys, the giveaway is finally over. I know a lot of you guys been waiting. It sucks that the truck's not done yet. A lot of stuff did hold me back from getting things done, like for instance being exposed to COVID, but we're good now, so we're gonna start getting more stuff done, like the electric windows and then the paint job. I already got some tires ordered, should be coming pretty soon. Yeah, guys, I'm pretty anxious to find out who's gonna win and where this truck is gonna go. Is it gonna stay in Cali? Is it gonna go to a different state? Is it gonna go to a different area in Cali? Or yeah, guys, but let's get going, guys. We got a lot of stuff to do today. I'm also gonna start packaging and shipping orders now that I know for sure I'm COVID free and good to go. So if you ordered something, thank you for your patience. It'll be there soon. Thank you. Damn, taking my mom's. Oh shit. Chevy with the sparkling steering wheel wrap, missing some diamonds on there. Real diamonds, guys. All right, guys, let's do it. Early morning cold start. All right. Damn, los corridos. Hell yeah. We're gonna be rolling in a 3-row. Damn. El autobús. Let's go. Damn. Where's my Ontario locals at, huh? This is where I grew up. Well, not grew up. I was here for like 5 years. But this is where all my family came when they came from Mexico. So this is home right here, to be honest. So who else is from Ontario? Put it down in the comments. Put Ontario, California. That's right. All right, guys, here we are at Sunday Silk Screening. They're the ones that did the embroidery. Gave me a great deal on about 52 pieces. So we got the colorful beanies, and we got the snapbacks with some camo snapbacks and a few burgundies. So let's go check them out. And hell yeah, guys, I'm excited. Probably rock one right now as soon as we're out. This is my old one. Let's go. Make sure, guys, wear a mask wherever you go. You never know. All right, guys, I'm here at Sunday Silk Screening, and I'm here with one of the owners. They're gonna shout themselves out, so here you go, guys.
Hey there, so my name's Melissa. I'm the owner of Sunday Silk Screening. So I just want to let you guys know that right now we have huge deals going on with hats and beanies. So if you guys are interested, just go ahead and email us or give us a shout or DM on Instagram.
Hell yeah, guys, check it out. Damn, got the colors in there too. White, dark gray, blue, pink, black. The hat's camo, burgundy. Hell yeah, guys. White, black. Get your orders in, guys, get your orders in. Alright, guys, I'm gonna just fill up the tank real quick for my mom, and then we're gonna head back to the house and start on some orders. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another day, and welcome to Fontucky. Look at this, guys. Crazy out here. Sorry if it's like super windy and it hurts your ears, or yeah. But all right. So that first part of the video, we were able to get like about a good like 15 orders done. That wasn't enough, in my opinion, but it's a start. Today I'll probably try to get out like at least 10 more before the mailman comes, because we have a pretty busy schedule today. So right now I'm gonna be on my way to Reyes Specialties. We're gonna be doing the electric windows, and hopefully maybe after that I'll be able to record a second upload for you guys of the truck getting a little bit louder. I just want to at least cut the muffler off because it has a huge muffler. It's not the stock one, but it doesn't really give it a good tone, and I want it to be a little bit louder. So we'll either do that or put a louder muffler on it. We'll see. So let's go, guys. All right, this is one of the first few times I'm a little unprepared, so I'm not really gonna be vlogging the way there. We're just gonna get there because I need to charge the camera, guys. I didn't charge it at all, or any of my other batteries, so we're gonna charge that, and then yeah, we'll be at the shop already. All right, guys. Oh, check out the new hat. I already posted them up on the website. They're no longer pre-ordered. They are available now, 100% available. I have this, and in maroon, and in camo. But then we also have beanies in royal blue, black, gray, dark gray, pink, red, white, and I think that's it. So yeah, guys, go check it out. All right, guys, we're here at Reyes Specialties. You guys like the new mask? Hell yeah. That's right. So yeah, I'm gonna be making some of these now. These are gonna be $5 only, but I do have some free ones that I'm gonna be throwing in some orders. I only have about 10 of them, so I'm gonna throw them in 10 just random orders that that just pop up, you know. I'll throw them in 10 orders, but then I'm gonna have these better quality ones for sale, so check them out, guys. Hell yeah. So for the rest of this video, it's probably gonna be a little muffled because I'm gonna have my mask on. You know, I want to respect everyone, so that's what we're gonna do, guys. Let's go meet up with Reyes. All right, guys, we're here at Reyes Specialty Shop. Like I said, he's gonna be blessing the truck with some electric windows, so no more of those freaking cranks going up and down. You have to reach to the other side to put the window down. No more of that. So he's gonna bless this truck with some electric windows. So here's the shop. Guys, here's the owner, Reyes.
Okay, this is my shop. Welcome to my shop. As you guys can see, we're gonna do the power window conversion on this truck. It's a sponsorship with Big Old Chubs. We do power window conversions, OEM power window conversions, sunroofs, time windows, general electric stuff. You know what I mean? Take a walk to my shop and you can check it out. You know, we worked on lowriders. We started working on lowriders back in 2010. And then we transitioned to working on trucks, actually, and but they've been keeping us busy, and we haven't been able to touch lowrider, not even my own. So that's pretty much our little background on us.
That's right. There you go, guys. The owner from Reyes Specialties. All right, guys. Before we get started, I'm gonna show you guys the interior, completely stock. You could tell it's stock. You know, it's a little worn. But you don't really see this color that much. You see the lighter tan, but this is a darker tan. And I guess a lot of people love this. So here you go. Here's the crank. I'm also got a cinematic video for you guys. There's the other side right there. I put the better camera on right now. He said this job usually takes about 4 to 5 hours, right? 4 to 5?
Yeah.
So I might be here the whole time, or I might not be. We'll see, but I know he's gonna take care of it good.
It's been the first one we did. It's been like about 3 years that hasn't came back.
Damn, 3 years. That's good.
Yeah, and they don't go slow. They're gonna go like OEM. With the old.
Oh, the trash?
Yeah.
Garbage.
We must pay homage to him.
Alright guys, so the power windows are pretty much done. Just need to make it look pretty much. That's it. But Reyes is also gonna hook the winner up with Suede headliners, so he's gonna be doing that today as well. Hell yeah, it's gonna be badass, guys. It's gonna be badass. It's never a good feeling being here, unless it's for having a baby, you know. But yeah, it is 1:46. So pretty much I had to leave Reyes the truck. I had to leave him the truck so he could, I'm pretty sure he can't even see me right now, but we're here at Kaiser. Well, I'm here in the car. Sadly, because of COVID and everything, only one parent could go inside with the baby. So sadly, she is sick. Well, I wouldn't say she's sick. At this point right now, we don't know if she does have COVID, but I'm pretty sure she doesn't. They already told us why she did have a fever, and it just sucks that my daughter is like not feeling well, you know. If I could like transfer that pain to me, then I would, any day, anytime, any type of pain. I don't care. But yeah, guys, she is feeling better. Temperature went down by a lot. But like I was saying, the truck did stay with Reyes because he still had to go tomorrow and get some Suede for the headliner. It seems like everybody wanted black. Well, majority of people wanted me to do it black, from what I've seen on my Instagram. Here, let me check again. I haven't checked in a while. 241 people voted black. 144 voted peanut butter, and 74 voted red. So yeah, we're gonna be going with black Suede headliner, and the electric window conversion's already done. I'll show you guys tomorrow when I go pick up the truck. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. I also got another order right now too from David Aleman. I appreciate you, bro. Even though the truck giveaway isn't going on anymore, you're still buying merch and supporting. I appreciate you a lot. If you guys want to support the channel more, a great way that helps a lot is buying merch, guys. That helps raise more money for everything, you know. And we really got to get that Sierra chopping already. So I just want to say thank you, guys, and let's continue with the video. Thank you, guys. Hello. Hello. Alright guys, yeah, she ain't feeling good, so catch you guys tomorrow. Damn. What's up?
What's happening?
Damn, that's sick. Hell yeah. Look at that, guys. Suede.
What do you think? Big difference, huh?
Hell yeah, it's gonna match the paint.
Yes, sir.
Shit. Damn, that's sick. Damn. From rags to riches. Oh yeah. Hell yeah, bro. Some Forgiato.
Welcome to Reyes Specialties.
As soon as I got in here, I was about to reach down and start putting the window down.
Yeah. All right then.
But no.
We'll be in
All right,
contact.
man. Have a good one. Thank you. Let's go, guys. Power windows now ready. Look at that. Oh yeah.